Carpet cleaning Datchet. Is your carpet looking tired, stained, or just not as fresh as it used to be? Vacuuming can only do so much. Deep down dirt, allergens, and odors build up over time, especially in busy homes and offices. Our professional carpet cleaners will bring your carpets back to life with powerful, professional cleaning solutions tailored to your space. Whether it's a family room, office space, or rental property, we use eco-friendly products and industry-leading equipment to restore freshness, remove stains, and eliminate odors. You'll see the difference and feel it too. Fast, affordable, and done right the first time. Don't wait. Schedule your professional carpet clean. Contact us today on 07480487767.